Hey, what is up everybody, welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you go ahead, smash that subscribe button for me. Thank you guys so very much. Now without further ado, let's jump right into today's topic. So guys, if you watch any phone farm videos from other YouTubers, you guys might already know there is something called Indigo coin. So Indigo coin is a company and apparently it mines crypto using cloud mining. I don't even know if that's a thing or not, but either way, people are promising 3 times their money, 5 times their money, 10 times their money. Oh gosh, I just messed up my hair. God damn it, I messed up my hair. But you know what, I was like, nah dude, that is just way too good to be true. Here's 10 bucks. So yes guys, I did go ahead and invest in Indigo coin because I just wanted to see what would happen to my 10 bucks. And yeah, we're getting into that today. So after investing into Indigo coin for the first few months, I actually came across a bunch of reviews online, and yeah, they go something like this. Fernando says, horrible service. They have stopped paying me for absolutely no reason, and I have came to the conclusion, scammers! I believe they took my BTC as well. I mean, I don't think there was any BTC or Bitcoin, if you guys don't know, involved, so technically they didn't steal your Bitcoin because it never existed. Moving on, BC said, wait, that's my initials. So BC continues on and says, you won't reach your ROI, meaning return of investment. They block you before you reach your ROI. Don't invest, use only free accounts. And of course we do have a few good reviews. Now remember guys, the good reviews probably come from the scammers themselves or people that actually use it and get their return of investment back and maybe some extra money, but they have not gotten scammed yet. So that's why they have some good reviews up there, but overall it's rated pretty poorly. And as you guys can see, total scam comes from Mother Russia, I think, and scam. Wait, did I already say that? And of course, criminal. Freaking guys taking our money. And the worst review of all, indigocoin.net. I don't know why you put that as the review title, but thanks Pela. So now that we gotten that out of the way, now you guys know that this is pretty much a big scam, because that's what it is. So let's actually go ahead and hop into my Indigo coin account. Now, yes guys, you guys can see that I only invested the minimum amount, meaning 10 bucks. And yeah, speaking of scams guys, the other day I was looking at Indigo coin from my phone and there's this little circle thing and I was just like, dude, refresh button. I'm like, okay, let's press it. I pressed it and then apparently that reinvested the freaking account value into more scams. So essentially guys, I just reinvested like 8 bucks. Otherwise I would have already had 18 bucks in my account, but you know what?
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Either way guys, we're basically taking our money back from this investment, and would I reinvest? Hell no! So yeah guys, we're gonna go ahead and withdraw whatever we have in this account, and hopefully we get the payment. Maybe we do, maybe we don't, but we're about to find out together. So yeah, let's do this. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and cash this out and see if we get our money. Let's go. Hey, look at this guys. Leave your feedback about our site here. Sounds about right. So yeah guys, it's not that fast. Apparently it's not instant payments. It's taking some time, as you guys can see on status. So I'll update you guys in a little bit once we actually receive the payment or when it gets declined and we lose our account. So either way guys, we're gonna let this little thing here spin around for a little while, and I'll be right back. See you soon. Okay guys, so it's been a few hours and yes, I did take a shower and hence the hair. So yeah guys, everyone's kind of asleep right now, so I gotta keep it down a little bit. But you know what? Indigo coin, checked in one more time before I'm going to go sleep, and actually you guys can see right here it has status complete, and I was like, boom, silent explosion. Okay guys, so logging in into Coinbase, here we are. Let's see what we get. Did I see that right? Do I see that right guys? Do I see that right? $1.18. Damn. So yeah guys, you guys can see right here, it says status is a check mark, meaning it's done. So it can take our money, no problem, but when we actually go ahead and redeem, it's like, I've never met this man in my life. So here guys, as you guys can see, we even go back to Coinbase. Let's go ahead, reload the page. Yeah, it's $1.18 still. God damn it. And there you have it guys, a review of Indigo coin. Scam! So yes guys, I did go ahead and risk 10 bucks on this challenge. Not really challenge, this is just my stupidity, but either way guys, I spent my money so that you guys don't need to. You're welcome. So all I ask guys in return is 1 subscribe from, you know, those who haven't. Hello, I know that's you. And also guys, if you could help me out with this, smash the like button so that we can bring more awareness to the scam so that other people don't waste their money on, well, a scam. So yes guys, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you guys all in the next video. It's kind of weird because I usually never talk this quiet, but yeah, I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace.